Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can clear watching on Tubi. Keep watching the video till the end. To clear watching on Tubi, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in tubi.com and make a search. Log into your account and it will take you to the home page of Tubi. Click on your profile name at the top right corner of the page. From the drop down, click on Account Settings. On the next page, tap on Continue Watching and My List. You can see your Continue Watching list displayed on the screen. Now, to clear watching on Tubi, you can either tap on Delete to delete particular movie or TV show, or you can delete all the Continue Watching list by tapping on Delete All from Continue Watching option. This is how you can clear watching on Tubi quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.